Lizelle P. Rubio. Janica will be receiving the following award with high honors. Oh, kasi anong general average for the fourth quarter is 97%. And also, ano mga awards mga baton? Super Reader, Super Scholar, Budding Mathematician, Batang Maasahan, Great Giver, Golden Heart, and Good Sport Award. Congratulations, Janica! What's mama? Can I go here? Mga moment na mga ray atong i-treasure. Yan. Ayan. Proud ka. Sasabihin mo ang certificate. Yan. Smart.
Wait lang, wait lang.